I recently gave birth to triplets 9 months ago.
Triplets?
Yes.
Three at once. Congratulations. That's amazing. Tell me your secret.
Do you have any tips on rebuilding your body, specifically the stomach area?
Yeah, for sure, that's all you.
Yeah, well, first of all, that was very efficient. So very efficient, like do 3 babies in one.
You guys both do this. You
Yeah,
guys
we
put up
did
your baby bodies, yep.
Yeah, that was in the, we were both in the hospital. What, no?
Yours was like the day after you had a baby. I'd spent 3 months trying to get back here, but it takes a long time.
Yes.
And I think, well, Hilaria will tell you, she has some amazing core rebuilding.
You know what a lot of it is? It's that understanding that your core is not necessarily what you see from the outside, but actually what's going on in the inside. So the most important thing is constantly engaging. So even if you don't have time for sit-ups, and to be quite honest, there's a lot of abdominal separation after having babies. I'm seeing a lot of nodding, so people, yeah, I see that you probably experienced that. So you want to be careful with sit-ups. So the most important thing is if you bring your navel towards your spine, and one of my favorite things to do, and you can do it like while you're like cooking or doing any kind of thing, and you just actually just rock from side to side, really engaging through your center, pulling from the inside. I'm telling you, you're gonna get like, in like a year, you'll have like a really great six-pack. Another really great one is for arms, and you can do it with the kids. Like, kid can be here, and you can be like doing like a little bit of triceps.
She does this in high heels.
Always.
Incredible.
The feet don't have a lot to do with it. But yeah,
That's so cute.
But mostly engaging through your center, pulling it in, and starting to feel yourself from the inside out.
Love that.
Okay, and then Daphne, you're gonna walk us over this way?
You know, look, what I love about workouts like that is it's a found moment, right? You have 5 minutes and you're standing making something like this and you're gonna start to just give back to yourself in that little way. Obviously, my brain always goes to food. This is how I try to rehabilitate. My stomach is always my problem area, and I feel like it's really hard to lose that weight. And the thing, I have a formula that I've been sticking with that's really been helping me, which is most of my meals, I try to make sure have protein, healthy fat, fiber, and hydration. Hydration is the thing that I think people miss all the time.
Yeah.
Oftentimes, you think you're hungry, but your body's actually thirsty. So making sure you have vegetables in your diets like these cucumbers. This is my detox no mayo chicken salad. So it's cucumbers, parsley and scallions, rotisserie chicken, so it's easy to make. You just pull it off the bone, and then a little olive oil, salt, pepper. You can throw some extra herbs in there if you want. I don't serve it with crackers because when I'm trying to lose weight, I stay away from the grains, so I stay with a lettuce cup. And this is something you whip together, take it to lunch, and again, it's that hydration component that keeps you full, the protein that gives you energy, the healthy fat that gives you tons of flavor, because I want it to be satisfying too.
Yeah.
And then look, I'm sitting here, I'm eating my truff salad, I'm moving my stomach.